What is perimeter? The distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure. When you go round the figure once is called the perimeter. And what is area? The total amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Perimeters, shapes and their formula. Shape number 1, rectangle. Formula 2 into length plus breadth. Shape number 2, square. 4 into length of a side. Shape number 3, equilateral triangle. Formula 3 into length of a side. Shape number 4, regular polygons. Formula 6 into length of a side. I take here hexagon. You can also take nonagon, decagon or any of the regular polygons. Area, shapes and their formula. Shape number 1, rectangle. Formula length into width. Shape number 2, square. Formula side into side. Perimeter measured in linear units like centimeter, meter, kilometer, inches, etc. Real life application: fencing a garden, farming a picture, building a body. Area measured in only square units like centimeter, square, meter, square, kilometer, square, etc. Real life applications of area: painting walls, laying tiles, carpeting a room. That's why learning perimeter and area is important for us.